Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to give you guys a quick tour of the Princess Sheraton Kaiulani Resort in Waikīkī. And this is the bathroom. This room is a 2 queen size room, and it doesn't have the view of the ocean. It's just a normal room. And this is the closet. It has the safe and the area to make coffee and a little fridge. And this is the TV, and we have the 2 queen size bed here. Look very nice. And this room has a balcony, even though it doesn't have an ocean view, but we love it because it has a nice balcony and it has a view of all the other buildings. Really nice. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video.